Welcome to the Applications Platform training videos from Codeless Platforms. Here are the objectives and approximate running time for this video. In the previous exercises, we created the objects we need for our classic guitars app. We added fields, updated record templates, created relationships, and added some demo data. We will continue our training by examining the standard view functionality, editing existing views for catalog items, and applying conditional formatting to table rows. We previously entered data using the Add Record button for a complete entry, but there is functionality to add a shorter record for faster data entry. Click the Quick Create button. In the catalog item, type Gibson L5. In the SKU, type the following code. And in the MSRP, type 8000. Then click Save. Okay, let's briefly look at the Recycle Bin functionality. To delete a record, we simply select the checkbox and click the trash can icon. Click Continue to delete. Okay, we will now bring the record back. Click the Recycle Bin, now click Restore, and click OK. Let's return to our Catalog Items view. We can also compare records, and to achieve this, we will need to select multiple items. Click the Selection drop-down button and select the following. All checkboxes on the left of each row are selected. Now click the More Actions Selector drop-down and select the Compare option. The Catalog Items Compare Selected Records view is displayed. You have the option to merge records if required. Click the Cancel button to return to the Catalog Items view. Okay, we will now edit the existing view in order to customize how our data appears. Let's click the View Selector drop-down. Select the Edit This View button. Now scroll down to the Columns section. Let's use the Available and Selected Columns list and Move buttons to reorder our Catalog Items view. Put the columns in the following order: Catalog Item, SKU, MSRP, Inventory Accounts, and Google Search. Move all remaining columns to the Available Columns list. Now let's scroll down to the Sorting and Grouping section. Set the Sort By drop-down to Catalog Item with the Ascending option. Then click the Save button, which will return us to the All Catalog Items view. We can now see the changes we have made to the columns and the sorting of the records. Next, we will create table row color values that are conditional on the MSRP amount. OK, click on the View Selector drop-down and select Edit Row Colors. In the Color Code view, set the following options. For Condition 1, for Condition 2. Click the Save button. Here we can see that rows display different colors depending on the MSRP value. And that's it for this video. We have used and edited view functionality and created conditional formatting. In the next video, we will be changing the view filter for catalog items, creating a new view for inventory accounts, and editing existing views for the other objects. Thanks for watching.